Hey guys, this is the gotten famous tactical pen. So, it comes na naka-box na siya. Ayan yung box sleeves. And then, black box siya. Ganyan siya pag naka-open. So, matte gray finish. Stainless steel barrel. Length of the pen is 5 1/4 inches. Diameter is 7/16 if you want the details. And black ink ang kanyang color. And this one is refillable, so you can use this a long time. Refill is a Parker type G2 refill ink cartridge. Then, naka-print yung Gotten Famous natin. And then, meron siyang metal clip. So, you can clip this sa mga stem bags natin, sa stem bags, handlebar bags, or on your pocket shirts. Yeah, pwede siya sa mga pocket shirts natin. You can take this along sa mga travels ninyo. Then, this one is a perfect everyday pen, and also you can use this as a self-defense pen. Yung kanyang metal tip. Metal tip, and then it can break glass also for emergency purposes. And then, twist lang siya. Twist retractable, and then medium ballpoint lang siya. Write checks, draw, anything you like. So, Gotten Famous na pen, tactical pen is available at the shop. Check our site, bmxcyclecenter.com. Or you can send us a DM at our Facebook page, and we can deliver it to you ASAP, same day delivery. And it's also available in our Lazada shop. You can check it out. Or you can drop by the shop, much better.